Elisha Cuckoo. What about you, my Elisha? What about my Elisha? What about my poor Elisha? You're in a cuckoo. You've got nobody. You've missed out on Ruby Rose, darling. You're going to have to do something here. Here you are. I'm going to have to. Here you are. Here's Joan Jacobs down here. I'll bring Joan down for you. See if you can do something with Joan. Seduce an older lady. She's a spare lady. She's very fine. She's very fine. You've just got to convince her that you're number one bird, that you've got a lot to offer. My Elijah Cuckoo. My Elisha Cuckoo. You've got to convince this Joan. There you are, darling. There you are. Your brother's scored. He scored himself a wife, a younger wife. Now you can score an older wife. You've just got to convince her. She's just got to be convinced. Come along, darling. There you are. Look at that lovely Elisha. Look at that beautiful Elisha. Just the fine husband you've done. You're without a husband. You're without a husband. There you are. He's a fine one. He's a fine one. My Elisha Cuckoo. There you are. Come on, Joan. He's nice. He's nice. There you are. There, my cuckoo. There you are, my cuckoo. You cuddle up to Joan. You've got to make her. You've got to make yourself irresistible. That's it. That's the way. Coo up. You've got to make yourself absolutely irresistible to Joan. She's a bit hard to convince. There you are. Good cuckoo. Good cuckoo. Good cuckoo. There you are. That's my cuckoo. That's my cuckoo. That's my cuckoo. Good bird. Yeah, there's Joan. There, Joan. There's a beautiful, beautiful young husband waiting for you, trying to seduce you. There you are. You don't know what you're missing. There you are, my Elisha. There you are, my Elisha. Elisha cuckoo. Now, Joan, you stay there. You stay in there. Stay in there, Joan. There you are. Good bird. Good bird. He's so nice. He's so nice. There you are. You don't know what you're missing. There, Elisha. Good boy. There you go. You get your big coo happening for Joan, all right? There she is. Nice, Joan. Beautiful. What a beautiful pair. There you go. There, darling. Oh, she's flown the coop. Oh, well, you better go and chase her quick.